Ah, Good day, guys. It's me. I'm Mr. AM. I'm back today with another banger as I have asked you on the free group on what if I can be able to analyze gold to see what we can expect when it comes to next week movement. All right. What we can start our analysis on a weekly time frame as you can see. And when we check the momentum overall trend, we can clearly tell that you know what we are on a bullish momentum because the market has been creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We can use this one higher high, higher low, and then higher high. So what are we expecting? In fact, we are expecting higher low, but the overall trend it's bullish or buying momentum. This is our current high, and then here we are expecting that the market can create a low somewhere here, and then this has to be our current low. As long as we have been breaking here from here to here, it means anything that is happening inside here we wanna buy. So if we are on a bullish time frame, I mean bullish trend, we can now go to the daily time frame. You see, here we have broken because higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So now we are also on a very strong bullish momentum. In this case, what can we expect right here? You see, it means there is a high probability that we can come and break here, but I don't think so because we have one, two, three candlesticks. So what we can expect the market to do, we can expect to come back somewhere here to come and test and push up. This is what I see. But if you go to the weekly time frame, look at that, look at here. It tells you that we have a probability to come here. But as we go to the lower time frame, which is a daily and to weekly, it tells us that we still have here. Because if we break here, it means we are coming here. And if we come here, there is a probability that we can come here and then we shoot up. Now, we can just, what can we do now to catch our buying movement? Let me just leave that zone. Let's go to 4 hour. We must have questions when it comes to forex trading, guys. You don't want to jump into trading and then you feel like you know what, hey, we because this guy says a buy and then you just buy. No, we don't do that. And then let's try to check if the trend line can be applied. This trend line is far. We cannot use this kind of trend. What about this way? This way, we can say at least it's much better. Yes, this trend is valid because we have first touch, second touch. We might be having a third touch going up or break, test, continue with the overall momentum. Now we can go straight to 1 hour. I don't go to 2 hours. If you look at here, first touch, second touch, third touch, we have triple touch or triple top. So what are we expecting? Let me just delete this yellow zone. Here, I can still put this zone like this because touch reverse, touch reverse. So now, because we are on a 1 hour, how can we get this entry? Let me go straight to 30 minutes time frame. If we look at this trend onto 30 minutes time frame, what do we see? It's very simple. Now I can just take and put a trend inside the trend because as long as the first touch and the second touch, it means we have a valid trend line. So if that trend line is valid onto the 30 minutes time frame, we can also apply on the very other side like this. You see, first touch, second touch, meaning our trend line now it's valid. So what we can expect from these trend lines to give us or to add our confluence, we expect the market from where it is break, touch, and then or we expect the market to break and go up. Why? Because we are on a bullish momentum. Now we can just go straight to we go we 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 we, we put our sessions on break. And then now I come here, I just have to mark my bank zones. When it comes to mark my bank zone, when it comes to gold, I only want to trade New York session. I don't enter anywhere. I enter the market only during the time of New York session. So in this case, if you can see why I want the New York session, let me give you at least small clarity. Let's use this Thursday. This line, it is the line that divides for me the day. But now, because we are on Thursday and we want to trade on Thursday from the previous move, it means I can just look, when we look at the back, we have this bank zone right here. This was it's Thursday, mind you, sorry. This is Thursday, yes. On this Thursday, I just mark my bank zone and then I mark it like this. Look what happened. This is Wednesday. I mean, this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This bank zone, if we look at the chart now, we have broken the Wednesday bank zone and we have broken the when I mean the this one, Tuesday bank zone and Wednesday bank zone. With which movement? On this movement of Thursday, it came and tested this bank zone, drop, test the answer this bank zone, break, came back to where this bank zone, and then push to the top side. I hope it makes sense. Look at it, it just came straight and then it just sniped it and then it continues up. You see, this was gonna be a perfect and a beautiful trade. So now, because we will be on Monday, I'm going. This is my bank zone here. Bank zone, bank zone, bank zone to bank. I will let me just mark it like this. Let me just mark it like this. Bank zone to bank zone. Look at what the market is doing here. Here, guys. This is very simple. First touch, touch at the bank, touch at the bank, touch at the bank, touch at the bank. Meaning this is a strong level inside the bank zone. Meaning we can be looking for a scalping, breaking this trend line first, touch, come here, and then we. This is what I see. This is what I see. And then the moment we catch this buy, what we are going to do it's only by moving the stop loss. We are going until. This is what I see. This is what look. This is beautiful because you can clearly even tell that these bullish candlesticks, they are even not. They are failing in with their momentum. They are no longer gaining. They are losing momentum of going up. Look at these candlesticks. They are equal with these two black candlesticks. Look at this. So now, when it touches it, I know when it opens, it will just play, 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 and then play, play. Come here before the session opens. The moment it touches here, we just want the rejection candlestick. Once it gives us the rejection candlestick, we enter. We hold our trade. When we break here, we can use this break even to put our stop loss here, and then we let our trade run, and then we hold. This is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and say something if you like the video or you understand what I'm saying, you can say unto my, you can comment telling me that, no, what guy, I don't understand. Can you please do this, or can just comment and say something. Thank you very much.